I have
Oh, right,
no
this is
context
cutscene.
to what's going on, so I can only use my imagination.
Oh god! Oh god! How do I go down?
This falls from sky. Wait, we can't sleep
Hold me
yet.
Can we cannibalize? Asking for a friend?
Oh, if not, okay, cool. Oh
By
my
the
god,
time!
kill him! Oh my god! Eat! Uh-oh. Man.
I can steal things from
You
you.
bitch. What's
I
the
like
cycle?
this very much.
Half the day's gone. I don't think we have a Squid K to help. Oh! So Mr. Squidman helps us jump higher. Fuck. Helps us jump high. He helps us jump. Are we too heavy?
Are you choking the jump or are we heavy?
Oh no, we better not be too heavy. I swear to God.
Do you
This
have
is-
the thing installed where you can just hit O? And
Oh.
hold B?
Oh!
Don't worry about it, don't worry about it, don't worry about it, don't worry about it. We made it! Oh my god!
We did it!
Oh my god! Now kill them.
I don't even know where the he is.
He was up there for a split second.
Yeah, they're up here
Oh,
somewhere.
I see an explosive spear. There you go.
Oh, you gonna die, bitch.
I'm gonna stay in here and watch,
Fuck.
actually.
Your days are numbered, bitch. Fuck! Your days are numbered.
Unity!
Wait, did you fall?
You hit me with the spear and I'm all the way back down here!
Don't worry, because I have a magic little... I have a... You'll make it up here eventually.
What?
Yay! You're back!
That's not me! That's
Wait,
not me!
that's not you! Oh my god.
I'm still down here!
Was
Wait,
it V?
Oh, fuck! Where is he? Oh, there he... shit! Oh, shit! Oh, shit. Is this high enough? I guess we go hunting. Because he's not high enough.
You're not high enough.
I want to be high. Okay, please be high enough.
He's not dead.
Nice, he is. Okay. Let me grab your bottle. Not that I need to, but like, just because I feel bad.
Yeah, it was your fault.
What?
It was my fault. So you're coming with us. If I didn't care, I would just leave your body behind, but I do care about you.
Wow!
She's sleeping. Trust.
I'm sleeping.
Some might say sleeping forever.
No, she'll wake back up again. Right? Yeah, see? It was just a bad
Really
dream. Okay.
Oh no! Oh! That's death.
Oh, and there's a spider. It's not good.
Which is fine.
There's a
but
nothing
don't think
because
it would've
I
been
have
able to happen.
arachnophobia and there's nothing there,
Get fucked, he jumped
right?
off. He jumped trying to kill me. Oh, fuck. What if I, like, human meat shield you?
You can, I don't care.
Oh.
Fuck!
Okay, I didn't think you meant like that, but that's pretty funny, so I'll forgive it.
Can this spider fuck off? Thank you. Okay, surely
Okay,
you...
No!
We technically do. If I...
There's a thing underneath you.
Don't worry about it. Oh god.
Oh, it's dark.
Oh god. Oh god!
Can I
oh,
can I
fuck.
please?
Oh god.
Can I please go up?
Fuck!
Yuri!
Fuck!
Get fucked.
Fuck! No!
One of these things is not like the others. One of these just doesn't belong. Oh, right into the
Wow, that
pipe!
was like... Oh, fuck. That was kinda crazy.
No, not me! Not me!
Sacrifice! Sacrifice!
I don't know. You
I can't hear that.
Oh, I see.
I hope it's next room. Oh, thank goodness. Okay.
Otis.
I fucking hate leg.
Oh shit.
Wait, is this the... You know what? I'm not gonna say it.
Yeah, it is.
Oh no!
I think you're dead.
Where am I?
You
I'm
might
still
be
alive?
dead. Oh,
I'm there!
Can
You
grab
cannot
that
get
pole?
off that, though.
Shoot. Oh my god.
So what do I do?
Do you see that pole to your left?
Yeah.
Do you
One
think
right
you can
down
grab?
there.
Never mind.
No.
Actually, I'm unarmed. Why am I going first?
Because I'm a child and you would never do that to your child?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm a great parent. Oh.
Lizard.
No!
No! Bitch! Die! Oh.
Please kill him.
Fuck!
You
I
gotta do
mauled him.
everything.
I mauled him.
Gotta do everything myself.
Teamwork. No. I helped. I contributed.
Oh hey, I see some monster kelp up there.
Yeah, I see a fucking pole plant. Disgusting critter. Long live the king!
I forget what I was gonna say. It must not have been important. Why are you going first unarmed again?
Oh, cause I'm a great parent, right? Ow! I've been stunned!
Oh god!
I've been shot! Oh, fuck that.
Oh!
Juked again? He has me.
I have arachnophobia!
I know, but like, you survived. Uh-oh.
Nothing will ever beat the clip of, I got it.
Flashback.
Oh, fuck. God, fuck. I got it.
End of flashback.
I fucking...
Bitch.
Oh, well,
No,
they're
it's-
gone.
Okay.
Get the flower!
No, they're not. No, they're not.
He's dead. Well, I hit him, but... Oh, fuck, I'm too thick. I'm sorry.
Your ass. Oh,
I'm sorry, my dumpy.
You're fucking dumped. What the fuck was gosh? Your
Why
dump
am
truck just.
scoliosis spine right now?
You're dumb.
Because she
Can you
doesn't get
pick
her
him
star
up?
yet. Oh, pick.
What
You're
is
mine now.
happening?
You're mine. Goodbye.
Frost, go eat the berries.
There we go. Uh-oh, I might be... Oh, never mind. I'm good.
Here.
There we go.
This better be a rock and not a berry.
I can't tell, actually. Oh, it's a berry. Oh, I guess it would have been...
Oh no!
I got... Get the fuck off me, bitch! Oh, farg. Oh, farg! Die! Die! Oh shit, oh shit.
Oh, no.
Fuck. Oh, shit, the spear's gone! No! Get back here, bitch! I got so good! I'm so good! Thank you.
Get over.
Oh, I got God again. Oh fuck, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, oh my god. Do you want me to give you uppies? Do you want uppies? Or do you got it? Okay.
Frost isn't even a slug pup.
Don't. I can still give her uppies.
She can still give me uppies.
Yeah,
I don't
but
care if you're a
I'm
grown-ass woman,
baby.
you get uppies.
Oh.
Too much sauce. It was a little too much sauce.
She's lost in the sauce.
I'm a little lost in the sauce. Oh my god.
The pit, you need.
No, don't fucking worry about it. See, if you talk about it, you'll just manifest it into.
Hey, that's my plushie!
Oh, we're all so gone.
No, fight!
Okay, so fight.
Go to the pipe!
No, we need a weapon.
I think there is a spear up there.
Oh, he's coming back.
Oh, it's coming back.
He's
Oh, it's coming back.
He knows so much. Oh my. Hey,
Oh,
we can talk about
no.
this. We can talk about this. We can talk about this. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy, old pal. I got him. Don't worry.
Are they gone?
I don't know. I don't know what the white man is, and I'm scared.
The screen is shaking.
Is it rumbling?
It's rumbling.
Oh my god. This is. Oh. Hey.
No, you're not making it, actually.
No. I totally make it. Oh my god. Oh shit, it's not right there. Fuck.
Chat, we're not making it.
No. I'm gaming. I don't worry about it.
Holy shit!
Don't worry about it. No!
Oh,
We're
they're still
leaving.
they're here.
Nope, I don't care. Oh, I care a little
But
bit. I
the
care
spirit-
maybe a little bit. I care a little bit. I care a little bit.
I got it.
No, you totally got it.
Mash
You totally got
A,
it.
mash A to realign yourself. Mash A.
Oh fuck! No, she totally got it. Oh my god, we're getting sniped. I got caught.
Come Frost!
Remember me?
Fuck, I got knocked out!
Oh. I'm crying.
Okay.
Damn, you just concussed yourself. Oh, great. Oh.
That doesn't affect you, does it?
I actually don't know. Oh. Good work.
Let go.
I have a rock.
Damn, he just sniped you. Or get killed.
Fuck.
I think.
Okay, cool.
Yum.
Oh my bones.
Didn't you miss that?
Oh
my god!
is he?
Oh.
Did you? Okay, grow. Ooh, you almost knocked me off. Okay, goodbye.
Oh, fuck you!
I
You
fucked
piece
up.
of shit!
I fucked
Okay,
up.
I got him. You're the professional, right?
Oh, ooh, I'm
Right?
something. I'm certainly something. I don't know about.
I also get scared.
Oh,
Too fucking bad.
If you
I
scare
know.
me, I'm gonna throw.
You know what?
Fuck. There we go.
Oh, I think I stole your spear again.
Ouchie, my brain. Don't push me off while I'm unconscious, bitch. Excuse me. The fuck are you doing?
Functioning on zero brain cell?
Bitch. Can you make that actually?
No. There's a reason I picked Artificer despite being a rivulet man.
I know this game is huge.
Oh. Yeah. I'm just silly like that. Can you? Hey, look at me. You.
Silly like that.
Oh, you fucking.
Yeah, because you were standing right where I would have knocked you.
Yeah. Okay. So keep going up is the plan. Oh my Jesus fucking Christ. I lived, bitch. Awesome. Fuck.
We going up?
Uppies.
Bye, Frost.
Fuck! Wait, no!
Wait for me. Wait for me.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait.
Wait.
Oh, she's
Wait.
swimming. She's swimming.
Wait. Wait.
Oh,
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Oh, here she comes.
Sorry.
Any day now. Yeah, I'm gonna cling onto this.
I wonder if I can lap Frost.
Oh, that'd be kind of silly. I'll chill.
Please,
Oh, you
Oh, I'm
bonked her.
driving on the bed.
please push off so I can push. Oh fuck!
I mean,
I'm still
you're
faster.
still technically
Oh,
laughing
fuck
her.
you.
I win.
Okay, so what I've always wondered about this scene is what happens if I just...
It ends early.
Awesome.
Speed run.
Speed run.
No,
You know what, Colin?
Oh shit, she's just go.
Oh, no, Dad. Not where I want to go.
wait, she lived.
She
I'm
technically
alive?
lived. Yeah, you're alive. Oh god, you just chucked a rock at him.
Is he part of the wall? Are you sure?
I thought he's... That's
He's
straight
not-
up... Oh, stupid tube. Oh.
Oh.
He's speed.
Oh.
Oh, I'm so glad that that was not death.
Yeah, I always forget where the blue death is.
Oh, goodbye.
Oh, that's
There.
where the blue death is.
It's there.
Well, now you know where to go.
Okay.
Have fun.
It's just going. It's just spinning.
Ah, no! He put me in the wall. I'm crying. Well,